Just like humans need oxygen to breathe, your engine needs air to create power. But dirty air can be a killer. Today, we're diving into the MAF airflow sensor and your engine air filter.
First, the air filter. It acts as the gatekeeper, stopping dust, debris, and dirt from entering the combustion chamber.
A clean filter ensures pure air mixes with fuel for maximal efficiency.
Next, the mass airflow MAF sensor. Located right after the filter, it measures the exact amount of air entering the engine. It sends this data to the computer, ECU, to balance the fuel injection.
Common problems? A clogged filter restricts airflow, starving the engine.
A dirty MAS sensor gets coated in oil or dust, giving false readings to the computer. This confuses the engine's brain.
The result? Rough idling, hesitation, and significantly reduced horsepower. Your engine compensates by injecting more fuel than necessary, skyrocketing your fuel consumption.
This inefficiency leads to higher emissions and pollution. Keep your air filter fresh and your MAF sensor clean to keep your engine healthy and the air clean.
Keep your engine breathing. Like and subscribe for more life and car care tips.